हेलो एवरीवन, व्हाट्स अप। आज था मेरा CUET का पहला एग्जामिनेशन, दैट वाज इंग्लिश एंड GAT। सो कैसे गया मेरा एग्ज़ाम? वेल, आई मीन इट वाज ऑल राइट, आई गेस। एग्ज़ाम वाज रियली ग्रेट। आई मीन GAT के लिए मुझे थोड़ा समय कम पड़ा, लेट्स बी ऑनेस्ट। आई एक्चुअली रिक्वायर्ड अ लॉट मोर टाइम इन GAT, और इंग्लिश में मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा समय लगा बिकॉज इंग्लिश का पेपर मेरा हो गया था पूरा अच्छे से, इनफैक्ट कंप्लीट हो गया था। आई अटेम्प्टेड 45 क्वेश्चंस इन इंग्लिश एंड आई अटेम्प्टेड 33 क्वेश्चंस इन GAT। एंड इन दोनों को करने के लिए, लाइक जस्ट लेट मी गिव यू अ रेफरेंस, लाइक 45 क्वेश्चन आई अटेम्प्टेड and I still had 23 minutes left on my clock. And in GAT, I just did 33 questions, and I barely made it to like those 33. I mean, there were a few things like GK and all which I didn't actually do because obviously I don't know. But again, it is not like I didn't attempt like all the questions of GK. Like I actually attempted a few questions because like you can kind of like maneuver your way if you know one thing, if you know like something like that, so you can just guess the answers and just move on. So I did that, like I guessed a few questions, but anyways, so whatever that is, I actually gave my exam pretty good. Now, GAT is not asked in Delhi University in most of the programs. It's majorly English only. GAT is generally asked in BHU and shit. Like I don't want to go to BHU. I'm not saying ki BHU is bad or anything. It's just my preference. I don't want to go to BHU. Let's be honest. So, how was my experience? So the thing was that I had my morning shift exam. Like my exam was in the morning. Let me see if I can make my way. Like I can. Ooh, how can I make you guys not? Let me see. Yeah. That is just going to work. Just fold it from here, and then like fold it from here. Now you guys won't be able to see my address or place near me, and yeah, this will work, I guess. I don't think I have any of my information. Oh, I actually have my information. I have my entire address down there. Damn, thank God I looked it up. I mean, it's not like anybody of you will actually take the time out of your day to like come and like vandalize me. But anyway, it's just it's internet. We should be it's internet. It's scary. We should be careful. It's like that. Okay, every one of us. So if you can look at the given time, wow, इतना सब कुछ किया and it's mirrored. How the fuck are you going to tell? But anyway, just believe in me, I guess. Just trust me. Please trust me. I have like, okay. So I had my two examinations today, English and GAT. English and GAT 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. First paper was GAT. I took GAT first, and then after that English. Now GAT, when we started, obviously the first question was a blood relation one, pretty easy. Yeah, I did that. Okay, like as soon as like I stepped up, I never found I found a lot of questions which were like really easy, like kind of like you knew it, or even if you didn't know it, like you could just like find a solution. But like in history based questions, like history बोल रहा हूँ मैं, in GK based questions, you cannot actually do that. So GAT में majority of the questions, majority I would say, because I attempted 33 questions out of 50, so majority of the questions were like of a type कि you can actually find the answer, like you can actually calculate your way towards the answer, but a few were still there like GK based and shit like that. तो वो सब नहीं हुआ. Obviously सारे के सारे numeric type भी मैंने नहीं बनाया, but mostly I did that, and I'm pretty content. I'm pretty content होता है ना, हाँ, I'm pretty content with my performance over there. अब so next was English. So English I started, and I was actually doing English really fast because मेरा टाइम चला गया था यार मेरा GAT में कितना ज़्यादा, एंड आई डिडंट वांट द सेम टू हैपन इन इंग्लिश बिकॉज लाइक मेरे को पहले से पता था कि GAT नहीं कंसिडर करता है दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी. इट ओनली कंसिडर्स लाइक BHU कंसिडर्स, एंड लाइक और भी है जामिया एंड शिट नहीं यार, मतलब जामिया एंड लाइक दैट. आई मीन आदत हो गई शिट बोलने की. तो जामिया एंड ऑल दे कंसिडर्ड GAT, बट लाइक एनीवेज तो DU नहीं करता है. तो मैं आई वाज प्रीटी चिल कि ठीक है, ओके, कोई बात नहीं. बट देन इंग्लिश आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं, इंग्लिश में आई कैन नॉट रिस्क माई टाइम, एंड आई कैन नॉट मेक दिस मिस्टेक कि भाई मैं लाइक अटेम्प्ट ना कर पाऊँ सारा का सारा क्वेश्चन. एटलीस्ट आई हैव टू सी एवरी सिंगल क्वेश्चन. तो इसीलिए मैं इंग्लिश स्टार्टिंग में मैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा जल्दी सॉल्व कर रहा था. लाइक आई वाज सॉल्विंग रियली क्विक, एंड Yeah, I completed my paper when 23 minutes were left on the clock. So मतलब मैं उसके बाद रिवाइज वाइज तो कुछ नहीं किया. I started drawing in my booklet जो भी होते थे, like वही किया. मैं टाइम पास किया काफ़ी देर तक. But I was seriously क्या उसको बोलते हैं, I was really scared about the thing कि I will still have to solve these many questions, like 50 questions in 1 hour, and in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Okay, chemistry is understandable, I can do that, but in mathematics and physics, like it's really tough. Because if you do not approach the question in the correct way in the first attempt, you are actually losing on a lot of time. Like you barely have 1 minute, like you barely have above 1 minute for one question. So it is very cunning, and it is very like scary kind of shit, like if you ask me. But anyways, like it's okay, I guess. I mean, we can, yes, okay, we can just slide it through. Now we have like 2 examinations coming up. Like there is one, like we have like 3 examinations more coming up. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, and that is on 30th of May. एंड या अभी उसका तो रिपोर्ट कार्ड वगैरह भी कुछ नहीं आया. सो आई डोंट नो मेरा सुबह का शिफ्ट है, शाम का शिफ्ट है, या कहाँ पे है, आई डोंट इवन नो दैट. बट या एनीवेज, सो अब उन तीनों के लिए मेरे को प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करना है. आज का पूरा दिन ऐसे ही चला गया बिकॉज लाइक आई केम, आई जस्ट स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग टू माई फ्रेंड्स लाइक हाउ द पेपर वाज एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट. बट हाँ, उसमें पूरा दिन चला गया. बट अब अभी भी मैं टाइम ही वेस्ट करने जा रहा हूँ, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. लाइक आई वाज जस्ट अबाउट टू गो एंड वॉच अ फकिंग मूवी. सो तो हाँ, लाइक मैं टाइम ही वेस्ट करने जा रहा हूँ. But anyways, if you guys like gave your paper of CUET today or tomorrow or yesterday, whatever, just let me know in the comments how was your paper. और अगर हाँ seriously, अगर किसी का GAT का पेपर था आज के दिन में, तो I'm actually curious to know like how was your paper, like how did you perform in your paper. Okay, like not specifically how did you perform, like I don't want to assign you a report card for that. I just want to know that was the paper difficult, lengthy or something like that, or was I just the stupid one who just couldn't finish the paper. Sorry. So yeah, that is it. एनीवेज हाँ, सो अब मैथ्स की तैयारी करनी, फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स की तैयारी करनी है. तो फॉर दैट द स्टेप 1 शुड बी टू डिसअपियर. अरे यार, मैं फिर भी दिख रहा हूँ. आई वांटेड टू क्रैक अ फकिंग जोक बट आई कुडंट. एनीवेज, आई एम सॉरी, बट या, thank you for watching the video, I guess. I fucked up a fucking shit. It's cringe, like but I don't want to put this into a fucking app and just edit it out. I'm too lazy for that. I'm okay to live with my failures. Let's be honest, I'm okay. But anyways, yeah, subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm like a really good guy. I post videos on a regular basis, kind of. I mean, not on a regular basis, because obviously, who the fuck are going to, like, I mean, I don't think that you're going to watch my videos if I upload daily. So like, that's why I don't upload daily. Yeah, it's on you. And yeah, I generally upload kind of quick. If there are any updates in my life, then I do. I like the warm light because it just doesn't make my eyes hurt. By the way, my eyes are red. Wow, that's so amazing. मेरे को लगता है सोना चाहिए. मैं सुबह उठ करके मैं ये हाल हो गया रात का. कोई anyways, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like the video if you like my review. अच्छा, by the way, एक और चीज़, like I think that I am the first guy जिसका PC बंद नहीं हुआ और जो YouTube पे वीडियो बना रहा है, because every fucking one had their PC shut down or like got a black screen or some shit. मैं गया, मैं बोला ठीक, बट आई हैड गिवन जेई, तो मेरे को लगता था ठीक है, मतलब एक्स्ट्रा टाइम मिल जाता है तुम्हें तो इट्स ऑल राइट. बट यार एक फ्लो बिगड़ जाता है. आई मीन, व्हाट द फक एम आई टॉकिंग अबाउट भाई. मैंने GAT में 33 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट किया. देयर इज नो फकिंग फ्लो इन दैट. Like I was just guessing the answers at one point. But yeah, anyways, thank you for watching the video, guys. I'm saying this for the 3rd time because I'm really thankful for you to watch the video at this point. And yeah, if you really watch the video, like please leave a comment to make me less suicidal, I guess. But yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. Bye.